Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the rubber strap and the visible screws. Do it slowly so you don't strip heads. Once done, use a plastic spudger to pry the housing. Metal can gouge plastic, so take care. Now visually inspect the battery, speaker cone, and the little PCB connector. You're looking for corrosion, broken wires, or a popped connector. Make sure to keep screws organized and photograph orientation so reassembly is straightforward. Next, diagnose the root cause. Measure battery voltage with a multimeter. Charged cells read around 3.7 to 4.2 volts. A dead battery causes many failures. Then test speaker continuity and inspect solder joints on the small board. Cold joints show cracks or dull solder. If the micro USB or charging board is corroded, replace it. When soldering, use flux and a fine tip. Reflow joints rather than adding excessive solder to avoid bridges and heat damage. To finish, reconnect the battery and PCB and power the unit on before sealing the case so you can confirm success quickly. Once audio and charging are verified, reseat the housing clips, tighten the screws in a diagonal pattern, and refit the rubber strap. If you still have issues, replace the battery or clean corrosion using 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Troubleshooting tip. If the speaker makes noise but won't hold charge, suspect the battery or charging flex rather than the speaker element.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.